Do you want to learn about money and finance in a fun way? Well, finance games can help you do just that, and they're a way to make your life more exciting the more you think about it. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me tell you something. If you're struggling to understand how money works, playing finance games can teach you in a simple and enjoyable way. Especially if you want to teach your kids finance, you're with your wife, he knows nothing about money, whatever. So listen, these games can help you learn how to save, how to budget, and even invest, all while you have fun. So some awesome financial games include Monopoly. Okay, it's a classic. You can get to learn about buying, selling, and trading properties. It's a fun way to think about managing money. Okay? Then you got, in second place, in my opinion, the game of life. This game lets you experience real life decisions, from choosing a job to managing your expenses. Third, financial football. Yeah, financial football. Play this game to learn about budgeting and saving, all while trying to win the game. Fourth, stock market simulator. I don't know if you heard about that one, but if you want to try investing without the risk, stock market simulator lets you practice without losing real money. Now, these games, they can make you feel more confident and excited about managing money. So if you're ready to get started, good for you. Don't forget to comment and like if you learned something. I love you.